Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 best legit money making apps that we can cash out from right here in Ghana, right there in Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, in Africa, or wherever you find yourself on this globe. You can cash out through your bank account, one. You can cash out through your Momo, and others can be cashed out through PayPal. But among all these apps, it is only one that can be cashed out through PayPal. The rest free through your mobile money accounts or your bank account. So now, don't go far. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes, but if you've been here with us, welcome back. That's just by the way, it's been a while. So today, as I said, we are going to talk about 4 legit best money making apps that we can cash out from instantly right here in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, in Africa, or on this globe. Yes, it is legit and it works. So here the first app is, but guys, keep watching and watch till the end because I have 2 bonus apps that I want to give you guys for free, and you can cash out massively on those apps. 2 bonus apps at the last end. So now let's head on to the first app. The first app is Opera News Hub. Opera, just like a website where we publish this local news or trending news here in Africa. Is it entertainment, fashion, or health? Which category? Anyone at all works. As far as you can write, back in high school, we have a lot of people who are good at writing stories and other stuff. Just use this as your part-time job, guys. Write nice stories. Go do your research first. Search for trending news. Write on them and publish. But the only thing needed here is create an account. When you have an account with these websites or apps, then you don't have any problem. With that, you can sign up and become a creator. When you become a creator, you can publish your content. When it gets more traffic, as in a lot of people reading it, a lot of people engaging with your content, a lot of people clicking on it. So at that moment, the Opera News Hub itself or the owners of the company will begin to publish, adverts on the content that you've published. So when ads begin to pop up on them, then through that they can also get more money to pay you. With that, you can cash out easily. So that's the first one, Opera News Hub. It is very easy to create. So if you want me to show you too, I can also take you through. Now let's come to the second app, which is Fiverr. So the second app here is Fiverr. Fiverr is the leading marketplace connecting businesses to freelancers. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. It is a place that you and me can create opportunities for ourselves. Okay, so a lot of people are cashing out also on Fiverr. So you can withdraw your money through PayPal also. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I've done a video on how to create a PayPal account. I will leave it in the description below so that you can watch and also create one. There you can have a lot of jobs opportunities on this websites and also earn more. Then you can transfer the money to your PayPal, then transfer them into your bank account or your Momo, and you are good to go. So you can go and do more research on this website, the Fiverr, and see how it works. It doesn't matter whether you're an expert or not, okay? What is needed is just go, and there are a lot of people who want some services to be done for them. So if you go and see you are good with that service and you can do it or perform that task for them and you'll be paid, just go and do it. But if you can't, you can just watch it. What is the person in need of? Just go research and know much about it so that next time when these opportunities pops up, you won't let them go. You just grab them and take advantage of those ones also. So I think that is clear. Now let's come to the third app. So the third one here is Binance. Binance, as other cryptocurrency apps that a lot of people are making much money from. Binance is a platform where mostly cryptocurrencies are being traded. Something like Bitcoin, something like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and other coins. Okay, so Binance has a lot of features which makes trading easier for the users, something like the P2P trading where you can trade personally with your colleagues, so with that, how they make money is, so you just search for someone who is selling at a lower price, so you buy that and wait a bit, so when the price increases, then you also sell at a higher price, and you go back and buy at a lower price, then you sell at a higher price. After that, it has a lot of features. There are features where you can save your money, and with that you get more interest, and I think it's a very cool one. We have the features and a lot. So guys, take advantage of the Binance app, especially the Binance app, because you are secured. A lot of people previously, they thought Binance and XNext apps, these apps are scams, and when they hear of forex trading or cryptocurrency, a lot of people begin to panic. But until we begin to take action, guys, we will still remain poor forever, and God forbid. Yeah, so go learn much about Binance, and if you don't know how to create the account, just hit me up in the comment section down below and I can help you out. So create an account and learn how to trade. We are trading forex or crypto, so be careful, or else if you don't know how to trade, better learn before going, or else you are going to lose all your money. Best advice. Now, the fourth app on the list is YouTube. A lot of people, I know almost everyone watching me here knows much about YouTube. If you don't know, YouTube is a platform, or it's a video platform where a lot of people, each and every day, people publish videos on this channel, and others also come to watch these videos, and most of the people also benefit from that videos, to tutorials, to educative content, to health. All the categories are included. So the thing is, create an account, become a creator on the YouTube channel, then start creating video. But one thing you have to know is, know the niche you are going into. Are you a vlogger? Are you someone who is into tutorial, who teach people much about tech? Is it a business? And others. So guys, just go there, learn much, and know what you are going for. And after that, know how to create thumbnails, catchy thumbnails, and be creative. With that, you can earn much on YouTube. Because I have a lot of evidence. Okay, this month alone, I had a friend who cashed out huge amount of money. So just imagine, let's assume $400, converted that into Ghana cedis or naira. It is huge. Okay, just this month alone, we have one of our brother who is also into this tech, and the same content that we are also creating. This guy cashed out about, it was even more than $400. So imagine, the guy was happy, and I congratulate him. I also have a female friend who also cashed out this month. A lot of people are cashing out. So guys, this is an opportunity. It doesn't matter whether you are good or not, okay? Because last time I even watched people's video, some of the videos are funny, but still there are people who watches this video, and it makes them happy. That's not the only thing. You have to put in much effort. You have to come out with good content, okay, so that when people benefit, you also benefit. People benefit, you also grow your channel. With YouTube, there are several ways that you can make money. You can make money through becoming an ambassador for a company or a product. So with that, you try to advertise the company's product on your channel, and the companies pay you. After that, the ads that are being shown on your video that want to generate you something, before we have the super chat and other stuff, so you can make money through that. Now here comes the bonus. So the bonus tip, these two apps can earn you huge sum of money. So here the bonus apps are: 1, Jumia. Always, I love to speak about Jumia. A lot of people don't know Jumia. You can make money on Jumia for so many ways. Not only buying on Jumia, you can also sell on Jumia, and you can also invite people to buy on Jumia, and you earn that through the affiliate link. You can become an affiliate on the Jumia platform, invite people to buy, and earn. So you can earn huge sum of money on Jumia. You can buy products at a cheaper rate or cheaper price and sell them at high. You can also earn that through Jumia. Yes, as I said, the last app is Survey on the Go. So with this app, you just perform some surveys, you take part in some surveys, ask questions and other stuff, then you'll be paid. You are not going to be paid that much, but you'll be paid. Gradually you increase them and it grows. I think this video is informative. Kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. As I told you, especially the Binance and YouTube and Jumia, take them seriously and you earn more. If you don't know much about them, just go and do research and read more about them. Whatever it is, you can ask me in the comment section down below, and if I can, I will help you. I think it is okay for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.